Thinking about your financial future? Discover XTB's investment plans and begin passive investing. You can start from £15 with zero commission fees. With XTB, your investment plan is just a few clicks away. Select assets that fit your criteria, such as risk level, historical performance, rating, or specific sectors. Decide how your money is allocated. Simply define the percentage distribution among the chosen assets. Choose how to fund your investment plan. Go with a one-time deposit. Add more whenever it suits you. Or automate with recurring payments. Manage your plans flexibly. Adjust your investment with a single click. Instantly buy, sell, edit, or close your plan and access your funds whenever you want. XTB Investment Plans. Success starts with the right plan.